Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into a dress to impress doll. So take a picture of your dress to impress model, just take a screenshot of it real quick, which I already did that. Then I'm going to open up chat GPT and I'm going to upload an image here. I'll add this one and this one. I'm just going to type turn the second image into a doll and place it in the first star shape box. And I'm just going to wait for it to generate. Here's a picture if you want to take a screenshot of it, because you do need the star shaped box here. I'll give you a minute to take a screenshot. And this is the final result of the AI dress to impress doll. This is what the doll version of my outfit would look like. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.